Hello, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use templates in CapCut. Alright, so open your CapCut application right away. So that's my CapCut. When I open it, you wait for it to load. So in order for you to see templates that are within CapCut, come to this option which says view all. Alright, so as you can see, the templates are now being displayed. So I'll select the kind of template that I want to use in today's video. Alright, so I'll come to the text templates. Alright, so these are the text templates. So let me choose this one here. Alright, as you can see, this is a template I'm going to be using. Alright, so I'll come and tap on this button that says try it now. Alright, so our template has finished loading. So let me select a video that I'm going to use it with. Alright, so I'll use this video here. Then I say add. Alright, so we are importing the video with the template also. Alright, so you wait for the template to load. As you can see, it's loading right here. Right, so you need to make sure that your internet connection is really connected and it's fast. So let me try to refresh. Alright, so it has finished loading. So I'll select it here. So after selecting it, as you can see, it will be displayed like that. Then I tap on this tick here. So I'll adjust the template to fit the whole video. Alright, so when that is done, I'll just need to adjust it there. Then I play. Alright, so that's how to use a template on CapCut. Thank you for watching.